You see the leak on this tank? See it dripping? This is a plastic tank of a Yamaha, and I'm going to attempt to weld repair on it. I've already started, as you can see. I'm going to continue down this crack here, and at the end of it you'll be able to see the weld, but hopefully it'll won't leak anymore. Okay, so you just place the soldering iron. It's just a normal $40 soldering iron from Bunnings. Just work it in, a bit like TIG or MIG welding. Just follow the crack down. This crack occurred during the last stint of hot weather here we've had in Perth. The breather on top of the tank was an eBay breather that I bought, and it didn't allow the gases to escape effectively, and it's cracked my tank. Now these bikes are getting quite old. It's not easy to get parts for them, and what parts you can get are expensive. So I'm having a crack at repairing it. Okay, let's see if we fix that leak. Oop. As you can see, it's not leaking. So what I need to do now is just pretty it up a bit. So what I've got is a sharp 12mm wood chisel. I'm just going to take this bead off the side. Just gently slice it off. What this does is clean it up, but it also gives me the same material to go back in and tidy this weld up a bit. In fact, it's like gives me a bit of a welding rod. Same on the other side. A bit hard because it's grooved. Just take your time, you don't want to dig into it and cause another leak. Of course, safety is paramount. Make sure you're wearing at least a P2 dust mask to try and prevent some of these fumes that might come up from the heating the plastic. You don't know what's in these plastics. Also, I've drained all the fuel out and I've filled it with water. Last thing we want to do is blow ourselves away. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just fill this a little bit. Try and tidy it up. So like I say, what I've cut off I'm going to use as a filler rod basically. Just gently does it. So it's not going to look the prettiest, but it's not going to leak, hopefully. Well, we've already proven we've fixed the leak. You can weld most things. I snapped the lid on a box I bought from Bunnings last week, $7 box, plastic box, and I welded that back together using this very same technique. Coming to the finish now. Just smooth over a bit. Just gently. Like I say, you can still see the repair, but you could go ahead and paint this if you wanted to, or like this old girl, it probably adds a bit of character. These are the cheap breathers I bought off eBay, which have caused my tank to split in the hot weather because they didn't relieve the gases out of the tank. I think they're a couple of dollars each on eBay. So yeah, I'll put the breather tube back on, and even though these look good, they've could have potentially cost me a lot of money. Okay, I've gone over that with a bit of wet and dry, and it hasn't come up too bad. Okay, thank you for watching.